Hey guys, so I just had my hair washed and I'm so excited to show you guys this color that's happening over here. So you can start with putting in a little bit, doing a lot. I just did a little bit to see how it would affect kind of like the ends of my hair. I have some growth from the top, so I didn't want it to go from like brown to white, so I just left my blonde up here and kind of just blended in the ends with the purple shampoo to give it some more light and brightness at the ends. So as you guys can see, it's really good and effective. I really like what I see. The color is just really intense. Like you'll see when you put it into your hands, it's like super bright purple, and you get little gloves that you can throw on so it doesn't, stain your nails or whatever. I did use them because I just got my nails done. So I threw it in my hair, I left it for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I washed it out, conditioned. And one really important thing is to make sure that you shampoo first and then throw this on and then condition, because the first initial shampoo with a regular shampoo will wash out anything that you have in your hair from before, so that this product is really able to penetrate and get into your hair. So the bottle looks like this, and it's called BOLD UNIQ shampoo. You can get it on Amazon. It's cruelty free, it's vegan, it's sulfate free, and paraben free. So those are some really good perks about it. Not a lot of purple shampoos can say that about themselves and their product, which is pretty cool because that makes these guys stand out. And if you guys want to give it a shot and try it out, let me know. Leave a comment below and show me or tell me how it worked for your hair. Of course, this is more geared towards blonde and bleached hair, and if you have brown hair, I'm sure like what it did for me was create a more ashy brown tone. Maybe that could work for you too. It does also come with a wet brush, and the brush is right here. It's like honestly the best thing ever because it gets all the knots out and everything. And if you've ever had chemically treated hair, which if you're blonde you probably did, it's really knotty when you come out of the shower, so this brush will just go right through it and help you get to blow drying faster. But yeah, so that is the effect. You can see I have my white silver tones in here where I've placed the shampoo, and I have some blonde still left over to let it blend a little more. So the bottle is about 250 milliliters, so that's a lot because you only have to put a couple drops throughout your whole hair, and of course depending on how thick and long or luscious your hair is, you'll need more or less. And that's it. So thank you guys so much for coming back and checking out my videos, and I hope you enjoyed that and are willing to try out this new product. So I'll see you guys soon.